Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So my name is Muhammad Lukman Akwid bin Muhammad Rahimin and I am taking Bachelor in Business Administration focusing in international business. So today I'm going to present about my internship experience at HHA Associates SDN BHD, and I was placed under Procurement Department from 21st July to 7 November 2025. As for the company background, HHA Associates SDN BHD is a Malaysian company that was established in March 2003. It is an EPC contractor, which means the company handles engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning work. HHA also provides maintenance services for the oil and gas industry. And the company is located at Jalan Wangsa Delima 10, Wangsa Maju, Kuala Lumpur. HHA supports many oil and gas projects by supplying materials, managing vendors, and helping clients complete their projects safely and on time. HHA focuses on quality work, strong teamwork, and good relationships with clients and vendors. The company believes that the trust and cooperation that are key to successful projects. Next, we move to vision and mission for HHA Associates SDN BHD. As for the mission, we continuously building expertise, providing services beyond expectations, enhancing our presence and track records. And for the vision, to deliver excellence in quality and reliability as EPCC and maintenance contractor in the oil and gas industry, while keeping innovation, integrity, and safety as a core priority in everything we do. As for the organizational chart, we have 16 employees as for the procurement department, which is our procurement manager is Mr. Muhammad Sofi bin Taib, and my supervisor in the HHA Associate is Senior Procurement Executive, which is Mr. Akasha bin Abdul Rashid. As for the objective of this training, the firstly is to gain hands-on exposure in procurement department operations within the oil and gas industry. And second, to understand the end-to-end process from purchase requisitions to purchase order. And last but not least, to develop professional skills in vendor communications, document management, and cost evaluations. And lastly, to apply business theories, example like Porter 5 forces, SWOT analysis in real procurement environments. My position in the organization. My position is as a procurement intern for procurement department, and my supervisor is Mr. Akasa bin Abdul Rashid, my senior procurement executive. And my role is to assist procurement officers in RFQ, CBE, TCBE, and PO preparation, and supported vendor sourcing, quotation comparison, and data entry in SQL system. And lastly, to coordinated with other departments such as finance, project management team, and admin for documentations and approvals. So this is my training schedule through Gantt chart. This is overall my internship timeline divided into monthly activities. It shows my progression from basic procurement tasks to more advanced work such as urgent task force assignments, claim data entry, and vendor management. Throughout the internship, the workload exposed me to real corporate expectations and improved my ability to work under pressure. So my involvement during the training, some of the key tasks I was directly involved in include preparing RFQ and sending inquiries to vendor, evaluating quotation using CBE and TCBE, generating purchase order through SQL, vendor sourcing for specialized oil and gas equipment, participating in the task force project where I complete over 700 to 800 line items of historical price checking, handling company claim tasks using pivot table, managing files for audit, and supporting documents events including OGA 2025 and team building programs. So we move on to field related section. Procurement in the oil and gas industry involves several important steps, which is receiving purchase requisitions known as a PR, sourcing and identifying potential vendors, sending requests for quotation RFQ and receiving quotations, commercial and technical comparison, CBE or TCBE, which known as bid evaluations, and negotiation and award recommendation, preparing purchase order, supply delivery and acknowledgement, and documentation for audit and client claim. Throughout my internship, I supported every stage, giving me a full understanding of how procurement supports project execution. And for my constructive inputs, some of the productive contributions I provided include helping speed up procurement documentation, supporting urgent task force project, finding new vendors to expand the company's suppliers list, providing accurate price validations from SQL system, assisting with audit preparations, supporting manpower and equipment claims using pivot table, and ensure proper filing to avoid missing purchase order and documents. So these contributions help me, the procurement department, reduce workload and maintain efficiency. Last but not least is the problems that I encountered and the solutions. Throughout my internships, I faced several challenges. The problem number one is understanding technical items. Many items are engineering related, such as pipe plug, compressor, alignment clamps, valve, and etc. So as for the solution, I actively ask my supervisor and my colleague and do my research online and study past purchase orders to understand each item as for the sizes and the quality of the item. As for the problem number two, handling high volume tasks. I've been given the task force which is required to processing over 700 to 800 line items. As for my supervisor solutions, he suggests us to check the SQL system from the previous purchase order and to get the item price list. And also, there is a pros and cons through that suggestion because the price for the item is not static every year. So my suggestion was to contact vendor to send the item list to vendor to send the quotation to us, which is more easy for us to organize the data using Excel. This is for tender submission. And also I apply filters, use SQL system as my reference, and plan my time efficiently. As for the problem number three, communicating with vendors. Some vendors were slow or unclear in responding. So my solution is I improve my email communication skills. I also use more professional wording and follow up consistently through WhatsApp, through calls, and through emails. And lastly, problem number four, missing documents in filing. Some of the purchase order were missing from the archive, and my solution was I cross-check SQL system and request the document from my colleagues, which is Miss Ruzaida. She is our admin in the procurement department, and I completed the filing for auditing purposes. Lastly, as for the conclusion, my internship at HHA Associates has been a meaningful and transformative journey. I gained practical experience in procurement, improved my technical and communication skills, and learned how to work professionally in a fast-paced corporate environment. This experience has prepared me for future roles and strengthened my confidence to work in the procurement field or any business-related sector. As for the recommendation, I recommend that HHA continue to provide structured training for interns, especially step-by-step guidance for using SQL and technical items. For UniKL, I recommend extending industry collaborations to give more students opportunities in specialized sector like oil and gas industry or any sector in the corporate world. And that's all from me. Thank you.